Hello and welcome to my tutorial of how to upload my portal gun asset onto your avatar. So first you want to open this folder up and take this prefab and drag it in. Then you will want to unpack and drag it on top of your avatar base. Next you will want to open up the armature down so you can get to the hands of the model. Then you will want to drag the right hand bone that's in the portal gun onto the right hand of your avatar, and the left hand bone of the portal gun to the left hand of the avatar, and also the chest bone of the portal gun to the chest bone of the avatar. Now if you want to scale anything or move stuff, you can go here and click this button if you want to scale it, and you can scale it up and down to make it bigger. To move it, you will need to go into here and click on chest if you want to move where it is on the chest, and then click the chest bone that you put onto the avatar and move it around. Then if you want to move where it is on the hand, you turn this to 1 on the hand, and then you can go to the right hand here and you can move it around wherever you want, rotate it, whatever. And then you will also need to kind of mirror it onto the left hand, generally like the same spot on the other side. Then you just want to put it back to 1 so it's defaulted on the back, on the chest. Then you can toggle this off so it's off by default. Then you want to open up the animations and take the FX, the menu, and the parameter, and drag it into wherever your other FX stuff is so it's easier to see. Then you'll start wanting to copy and paste, so copy and paste this to your avatar parameter. Go back and forth till you get all 3. Messed up. Then you can go to your avatar menu, right here, add a control, name it whatever you want, doesn't need to be that. You can type in icon and you can put one of these. Toggle pick 4 is what I'm going to be using. I made a couple different ones that you can put whatever you want there. And then make this a submenu. And then look for sub portal gun. Next, you'll want to do the FX. So you'll want to open this up and then open up the avatar FX and add these to the parameters. So you can just copy and paste. Oops. They're going to be all bools. And then you can start adding these. So copy and paste these names, weight to 1, add the mask, the next one, weight 1, mask, weight 1, mask, weight 1, mask. And then you can copy these, Control C, and then Control V. And then you'll want to set state machine idle. And then you can check to see if this is correct. And you can just do the rest. Set state machine to idle if it's not. That should be it for the setup. So if you're gonna change the textures or anything, the textures are all here in this folder. If you want to change the colors of the portals, the materials are in the materials folder of the portal gun folder. And you can just go here and unlock. Unlock. And you can show this. Put it to 0. Then you can add a 3D object as like a cube, so it will interact with it. Move it over here. You can scale it up so it's like a wall. Then if you want to see the particles, you can just click on this and it should shoot. You can see the particle. So if you want to change the color, you go down here under flipbook. There's this hue shift and this should be on, and you can just drag this and you can change the color. You go down here under flipbook. There's this hue shift and this should be on, and you can just drag this and you can change the color. And for these, you can go in here and do color adjust and hue shift, and it will change the color of the projectile. And you do the same with the trails.